Hey guys, say hi Mila.
That's how I say hi.
Yeah.
Hello.
Today guys, we're going to be playing speedrun again because last time it was horrible. So we've decided to play again. There's Mila. Mila, coming after you. Coming after you. I'm coming after you. Good jump, and jump, and jump. Boom, we made it at the same time. I have an itchy finger and it's making me want to stop so bad, but I'm not going to. Oh my god, this itchy finger is annoying. Ah, itchy finger. No, no. So bad, so bad, so bad. Okay, I need to stop from it. Itchy.
I jumped straight into it.
Yeah, I had to stop because my finger was itchy.
Oh, I died. Wait for me.
I'm really bad at this level, so it'll take me a minute.
Is the next level the rainbow one?
No, it's
No, it's not.
the right one. Remember there the
It's
time?
the clear looking one.
Yeah, it was
It's the
you.
weird pencil drawing looking one.
Remember the time that you, me, Molly, and Kason and Camden both played on this all together? I'm just gonna like jump around because I'm bored. Look how pretty this is. Can't stop the flow of time. Can I make it all define yet? 'Cause you don't really need to know. Oh.
Oh no, I died.
I hate that little part at the end, like the small line.
Those are the easiest ones for me.
I don't know, I just hate it. I mean,
I died.
they're easy, but it's just so annoying they had to add it in.
They're easy for certain weird people.
Like me. Did you just jump in the portal?
No. I died.
That was someone else.
Again. This one I usually just never die. It's not fair.
Oh, so you were on this one the whole time? I don't like this one. This one's easy. They're all basically easy. Can we at least try the rainbow one?
No, you can only get that. Need that.
Okay, I'm at the end and I'm going through because you went through that one. Okay, this one's easy. Just get this speed boost. God damn it. I'm actually gonna try I'm actually gonna try this level for once. Because I never do. I usually use the cheat. Do you use the cheat? Mila. Merla.
Look, I have the red circles. Whee!
Do you usually use the cheat?
The red circles. Circles.
Cool.
The red circles.
Cool. Do you usually use the cheat on this one?
Yeah.
Me too.
Like, you just keep jumping and you won't die.
Yeah, it's so easy. Ah, damn it. I'm blank.
Oh, I died on that one. It's not that hard if you just focus. If you're stupid like me, wait for me, Brooklyn.
Sorry. Looks like I just fell. I literally just fell down.
I always die right here. Ooh, lived. Then I died again. My body just floats everywhere.
I'm on the rainbow one right now, and I keep just dying on the first jump. God damn it. The red one is making me want to punch it. I hate the rainbow when it takes forever.
I literally died. I hate this game.
They should have like a food themed one. With just a bunch of different foods.
Okay, I'm leaving this game. Bye-bye.
Okay. We're gonna go on an obby now. Are we gonna go on the obby now?
I don't remember what the obby's called.
I know what it's called. I'll go to it. Join me, okay?
Okay.
Well, mega fun obby, in parentheses, 150.
Oh, it's the really easy obby. No, the mega fun obby.
Okay, join me. It's by blocks ton. Okay, now I'm actually on the level that I was last time.
It says you're not my friend. It says you're not my friend.
Zoe plays basketball? Ah, flippin' dead. Oh, God. Why do I do all the ones that are out? Yay. Dang it. Wait, so that's the blue one? I'm really confused. Yeah, it is. I can tell you the colors for the, when you get to the color one, it's level 48. I know the colors to it.
I'm on stage 29.
So when you get to 48, I know the colors. Dang it.
I'm on 30, actually.
I know because you just got there. And you can go all the way to here.
Oh, I died immediately. I jumped too much.
Here, and here. There we go. Here. No.
Why
Okay.
are these like lit up?
Some of these are really freaking hard. I remember the obby I was playing last night that was so hard and annoying. What does this apple do?
I died immediately. What is the point of this game
You're the one who wanted to play
if you
it.
can't even get past one level? It looks like popcorn.
No, I cannot believe I'm on this level. This level is so... Oh no, never mind, this isn't the really hard one. Where you have to you have to go to the side and go like that, and it's really annoying. I don't like it, but I don't know why I was trying it on this one, because it wasn't gonna work, because the walls are too thick. Flip. Thick flip. Look at it. Oh, that sounded really wrong, didn't it? Mila,
Well, I heard.
I I said frick flip. And then I was trying to rhyme, so I said lick a dick.
On stage 40.
Okay, I'll tell you what the colors when you get to 48. Oh no! I've played this one before. I hate this level. It is so hard.
Oh, I get the point of the game.
When you get to level 58, you're gonna rage, by the way.
Level 40 what?
58, you're gonna rage.
Why?
Because it's the hardest thing on the planet. Yes, I just did it.
And I shouldn't play it.
I don't know. It may just be hard for me. You'll have to see if it's hard for you.
Oh, I died immediately.
Oh.
No! I'm on stage 46 and I hate the rainbow.
Oh, the thin rainbow lines?
Yeah, I can't do it.
But try just running over them.
Didn't work.
Like,
I always fall in the green one.
I'm gonna come back for you because I'm nice. The thing is, every time I die, though, it brings me all the way back to level 4.
Oh, I'm on level 47.
Okay, I can tell you the colors for the next level. Wait, 47 is the one with the colors?
Yellow.
Okay, yeah, it's yellow, yellow, yellow. It's yellow again.
Don't tell me, I know how to do it.
And then it's blue.
Stop telling me.
What are you being nice? I'm coming back for you. Will you wait for me?
Where are you? Oh, I see you up there.
Yeah.
Hello?
I'm all the way at level 60, but I'm coming back down. And if I die, it's going to be horrible because, well, it makes me go all the way back up there. So yeah, it'll be horrible.
Oh, no, that one, that guy.
Oh, I hate this. I hate this. I hate this. No! I can't go backwards.
What?
Nearly 52. I see you. I'm coming for you. I am coming for
You
you.
were all the way back up there again?
What? I died. Okay, this one, this one, this one. Are we ever gonna do a face cam video, Mila? Do you think we should,
I
maybe?
don't know.
Maybe we will engage, guys. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell. We really would appreciate it. We're on the road to 1 subscriber. LOL. Go grab a water bottle. I'm so thirsty. I think I'm done.
There's a random apple.